Hello students, in this video we'll continue with the rules to change active voice into passive voice. We'll start with the present continuous tense. The rule is it is subject plus ismr plus verb plus ing form plus object in active voice. Then in passive voice it will be subject plus ismr plus being. Ing changes to being plus third form of the verb plus preposition, that is by, plus object. Now see the examples. He is writing a letter. It will be changed to a letter is being written by him. Is writing changes to is being written. Second one. They are keeping their fingers crossed. What is the object? Their fingers. Their fingers are being kept. Are keeping changes to are being kept. Crossed by them. They changes to them. The boys are running a race. Object is a race. A race is singular, is being run. Are running changes to is, ing form changes to being, is being run. Third form of run is run only. A race is being run by the boys. In case of negative sentences, we will add the word not. In active voice, if it is subject plus ismr plus not plus verb ing plus object. Then in passive voice, it becomes subject plus ismr plus not being plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Let's see the example. Mother is not making tea at present. What will be the answer? Tea is not being made. What we have to add? We have to add the word not being and the third form of make, that is made at present by. What is the object here? Here the object would be mother. By mother. Tea is not being made at present by mother. Second one. Ravi is not painting a picture. Now in this, first of all, we will interchange the position of subject and object. Picture will come at first. A picture, it is singular, so is not being painted by whom? By Ravi. In case of interrogative sentences, when a question starts from is, am or are, then in passive form we also start with the words is, am, are. Then we place the subject after the helping verb, after the question word, is, am, are. Then we place the subject and then being, followed by third form of the verb, preposition and then object. I repeat, first of all question words, then subject, then being and then third form of the verb. Example, are they flying kites? Now see, first of all what we have to use? Are. It's plural, are. Then subject. Subject is kites. Then being. Being. Flying. Third form is flown. Are kites being flown by them? Got it? In case of negative interrogative sentences, we will add the word not. And the rest rule is same as we did in interrogative sentence. Now you can look at this example. Is the noise not disturbing the old man? So, it will be in passive form. Is the old man not being disturbed by the noise? Have you got it? We'll start with the question word is, then the subject, that is the old man. Then we will place not being plus third form of the verb. Then preposition, that is by, and then the object followed by question mark. I hope it is clear to you. Next is present perfect tense. Children, we know we use has or have in present perfect tense. In passive voice, has, have changes to has or have been. The rule is subject plus has or have plus been plus third form of the verb plus preposition plus object. For example, she has invited all her friends. So, all her friends have been invited by her. We have to use have been, third form of the verb. They have often blackmailed us. We have, now us changes to we. We have often been blackmailed by whom? By they. They means them. We have often been blackmailed by them. Floods have destroyed crops. What is the object here? Crops. So, crops will be placed first. Crops have been destroyed by floods. Next. In case of negative sentences, we'll add the word not. For example, he has not stolen my pen. What is the object here? My pen. My pen has not been stolen by him. I have never cheated you. You have never been cheated by, I changes to me. You have never been cheated by me. In case of interrogative sentences, we use the question word has or have. And then we place the subject, then been, followed by third form of the verb, preposition and object. Example, have you won the prize? Question mark. Now what we will use first? We are using here has. Has the first prize because the prize is singular. So we will add the question word has, then subject. Subject is the first prize. In perfect tense we have to use been. Add the word been here. Been. Third form of one is one only. Have been won by whom? By you. Has the first prize been won by you? Next is negative interrogative. In negative interrogative, we will add question word and subject, then not. For example, we will add has, have, plus subject, plus not, plus been, plus third form of the verb, plus preposition that is by, plus object. For example, we have, has he not stolen your watch? Now, your watch will be placed first. This is the subject. But before the subjective and interrogative, we have to place the question word. So, what we will place before your watch? We will place has. Has your watch not been stolen by him? Question mark. Children, remember, in present continuous tense, we have to add the word being, B-E-I-N-G. And in case of present perfect tense, we add the word been. I hope this is clear to you. And remember, present perfect continuous tense has no passive form. It cannot be changed into passive form. I hope this lesson is clear to you. Go through this video again and solve the given assignment. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.